Getting started with programming made simple.
Learning to code doesn't have to be confusing or expensive. Whether you're curious about how software works or considering a new skill, the right resources make all the difference. Here, you'll find 3 popular, completely free tools that make programming approachable, fun, and stress-free, even if you've never written a line of code before.
Codecademy, hands-on, interactive learning.
Codecademy offers beginner-friendly courses in multiple programming languages like Python and JavaScript. Its step-by-step exercises let you practice as you learn, right in your web browser. This means no tricky setup or downloads. You get instant feedback so you always know how you're doing. Codecademy's free tier covers ample introductory content perfect for newcomers.
freeCodeCamp, learn by building real projects.
freeCodeCamp is a non-profit platform offering thousands of free coding lessons and projects. It focuses on learning by doing, so you build websites, games, and apps as you go. The friendly community and forums are great for support, and you can earn certificates to showcase your progress. No experience required. Just start wherever you feel comfortable.
Scratch, visual coding for absolute beginners.
Scratch, created by MIT, lets you learn coding through drag-and-drop blocks. It's perfect for those intimidated by complex code or syntax errors. You build simple programs, animations, and games visually, which helps you grasp core programming ideas. Scratch is extremely user-friendly and fun, making it ideal for kids and adults starting from zero.
Choosing the best tool for you.
All 3 resources make programming accessible and manageable. Codecademy is great if you prefer structured exercises. freeCodeCamp is ideal for project-based learners. And Scratch offers the easiest introduction using visual elements. Pick the one that matches your interests and comfort level, and enjoy the journey as you unlock the basics of coding with zero overwhelm.